Video begins with an engaging tech-focused intro sequence for the Vainarania channel. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Vainarania. Have you ever uploaded a video and wondered who is actually going to see this? You pour your heart into creating amazing content, but it feels like you're shouting into a void. What if I told you there's a powerful, invisible force deciding the fate of every single video? That force, my friends, is the YouTube algorithm. Today, we're going on a deep dive to demystify this digital giant. We'll journey from its humble beginnings to its current complex state and even peek into what the future holds for creators like you and me. And stick around, because I'll be sharing some game-changing tips for new creators based on how this system actually works. Let's rewind to 2005. YouTube was brand new, a digital Wild West. The algorithm back then was incredibly simple. It was all about one thing: clicks. The videos with the most views shot to the top. This view count era was straightforward, but it had a huge flaw. It led to the rise of clickbait. Misleading thumbnails and titles reigned supreme because creators just needed you to click, not to actually watch. It didn't matter if the video was terrible. The click was all that counted. YouTube quickly realized this wasn't building a sustainable platform where people would want to spend their time. A change was desperately needed. So, around 2012, YouTube announced a major shift. The new king of the algorithm wasn't views, but watch time. This was a revolutionary change. Suddenly, it wasn't just about getting people to click. It was about keeping them engaged. How long were people watching your videos? What was your average view duration? This metric was a much better indicator of quality. If people were sticking around to watch your entire video, it was probably good content. This forced creators to focus on making genuinely interesting and valuable videos from start to finish, not just crafting a catchy title. This shift laid the groundwork for the YouTube we know today, a platform that values viewer satisfaction above all else. This brings us to the modern era, from roughly 2016 onwards. The algorithm has evolved into something far more sophisticated. It's no longer just about watch time on a single video. Now, it's about session watch time and viewer satisfaction. YouTube's main goal is to keep you on the platform for as long as possible. So, the algorithm asks questions like, after watching this video, does the viewer watch another one? Do they leave YouTube altogether? It also uses direct feedback. Have you ever seen those little surveys asking you to rate a video? That's direct input into the algorithm. Likes, dislikes, shares, and especially comments are all powerful signals that tell YouTube people are not just watching, but actively engaging with your content. It's a personalized system. The algorithm studies your individual viewing habits to recommend content it thinks you will personally love, which is why your homepage looks completely different from your friends. So, what does this mean for a new creator starting out today? Forget trying to hack the algorithm. Instead, focus on hacking human psychology. Your goal is to create a positive feedback loop with your audience and the algorithm. First, nail your niche. Don't try to be everything to everyone. When you focus on a specific topic, you attract a dedicated audience, and YouTube learns exactly who to recommend your videos to. Second, consistency is crucial. This doesn't mean you have to upload daily, but create a predictable schedule. This trains your audience to come back for more and signals to the algorithm that you are a serious, active creator. Third, treat your first 30 seconds like gold. You need to hook your viewer immediately and give them a compelling reason to keep watching. This directly boosts your watch time. Let's get even more practical. The two most important metrics for getting discovered are your click-through rate, or CTR, and your average view duration. CTR is the percentage of people who click on your video after seeing its thumbnail on their homepage or in search. To improve this, you need compelling, clear, and emotionally resonant thumbnails and titles. Don't make them clickbait, but make them irresistible. Then, once they've clicked, you have to deliver on that promise to keep your average view duration high. Study your analytics. Look at your audience retention graphs in YouTube Studio. Where are people dropping off? Pinpoint those moments in your videos and figure out why. Are you rambling? Is the energy dropping? Use that data to improve your editing, pacing, and storytelling in your next video. It's a continuous cycle of creating, analyzing, and improving. Now, let's look into our crystal ball. What does the future hold for the YouTube algorithm say, leading up to 2025 and beyond? All signs point towards even greater personalization and a multi-format approach. YouTube is no longer just about long-form videos. We have shorts, live streams, and community posts. The algorithm of the future will be less about promoting one format and more about serving the right format to the right viewer at the right time. Someone commuting might get a short, while someone relaxing at home might get a 20-minute documentary. According to YouTube's own official blog, they're heavily investing in AI to better understand the nuances of a video's content and context. Moving beyond just keywords, this means the algorithm will get even better at matching specific videos to niche interests. For creators, this means diversifying your content strategy. Experiment with shorts to attract new subscribers. Use the community tab to engage your loyal fans and go live to build a deeper connection. The creators who embrace all the tools YouTube offers will be the ones who thrive. Another massive trend is the push for reliable information. YouTube has stated its commitment to raising authoritative sources and reducing the spread of borderline misinformation. This means if you're creating content in fields like news, health, or science, demonstrating expertise and citing credible sources will become even more important. The algorithm will likely favor channels that are seen as trustworthy and authoritative within their niche. Building a reputation for accuracy and value won't just be good practice. It will be a key strategy for long-term growth and algorithmic favor. So always do your research and be a responsible creator. To wrap it all up, the YouTube algorithm isn't a scary, mysterious monster. It's simply a tool designed to do one thing: give the viewer the most satisfying experience possible. It has evolved from chasing clicks to rewarding quality and engagement. For you, the creator, this is fantastic news. It means your primary focus should be on your audience. Make videos that you're passionate about. Serve a community that you care about. Focus on quality, be consistent, and learn from your analytics. Don't obsess over numbers, but use them as a guide to better serve your viewers. If you can make your audience happy, the algorithm will notice, and it will reward you by sharing your work with more people who will love it too. That's all the time we have for today. I hope this deep dive has helped demystify the YouTube algorithm for you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really does tell the algorithm this was a good video. And for more content designed to help you grow as a creator, make sure to subscribe to Vainarania and ring that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.